Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tubairam. Welcome, students. So today's exploration of one of the most fascinating element of the human body. As we embark on this journey into the intricate working of the nervous system, we will delve into the remarkable world of these specialized cells that form the foundation of our ability to think, uh, feel, and interact with the worlds around us. In this lecture, we will unravel the mysteries of neurons, exploring their structure, function, and capabilities. So, join me as we embark on this intellectual odyssey into the world of neurons. Together, let's unravel the secret of the mind. So, here is our slide. Yeah, neuron or nerve cell. Okay, neuron. What is neuron? So, neuron or nerve cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the central nervous system. Neurons send message in the form of electrochemical waves called nerve impulse. Got it? So, neuron, also known as nerve cell, as the basic building block of the nervous system. They are specialized cell that process and transmit information through electrical and chemical signals. So this is the structure of neuron. Mm. Parts of neuron, first of all, parts of neuron dendrites होते हैं, सेल बॉडी है, एक्सॉन्स हैं, ठीक है, ये पार्ट्स होते हैं न्यूरॉन के. तो what is dendrites? These are the branch-like structure that receive message from one neuron and allow the transmission of message to the cell body. The transmission of the message is always in the form of electrochemical signals, which is nerve impulse and cell body. Each neuron has a cell body with a nucleus and cytoplasm. So axon is a tube-like structure that carries electrical impulses from the cell body to the axon terminal that pass the impulse to other neuron. Dendrites also receive signals from other neurons. The cell body possesses these signals, and axon transmit signals to other neurons. So there are three types of neuron: sensory neuron, motor neuron, and interneuron. What is the function of sensory neuron? It carries the information from the sensory receptors to the brain and spinal cord. The next one is motor neuron, which carry the signal from the brain and spinal cord to the muscles and glands. And third one is interneuron, which connects sensory and motor neuron and process information within the spinal cord and brain. So this is a structure. ये सेंसरी न्यूरॉन, ठीक है. बिलफर्ज अगर आपने किसी चीज़ को टच किए हैं तो आपका ब्रेन आपको फ़ौरन सिग्नल करता होता है कि ये चीज़ ठंडी है, गर्म है, कोल्ड है, हॉट है, तो आप यहाँ से फ़ौरन अपना हाथ उठा लें. तो सेंसरी न्यूरॉन जैसे ही आप टच करेंगे, अपने सेंसर ऑर्गन आपके इंटरन्यूरॉन को आगे सिग्नल्स करेंगे, इंटरन्यूरॉन आगे मोटर न्यूरॉन को बता देंगे और मोटर न्यूरॉन वापस आपको आंसर करता होता है. आपकी न्यूरॉन्स जो होती है वो आंसर करती होती है एंड वापस मोटर न्यूरॉन इंटरन्यूरॉन को बताएगी एंड देन इंटरन्यूरॉन सेंसरी न्यूरॉन को बताएगी और आप फौरन हैंड उठा लेते हैं. So here also I have a video for
Types
you,
of neurons.
which is
Throughout
type
our
of
body,
neuron.
messages are transmitted in the form of electrical impulses. The cells that are responsible for processing and carrying these impulses are called neurons. The electrical charge is caused by chemical charges around the neural cell. Based on their function,
The charges are produced.
there are three types of neurons: sensory, motor, and relay,
Relay neuron means interneurons.
which is also known as intermediate. All three are present in the human body. Anatomy of neurons. Some common structures that are present in all neurons. These are cell body or soma, dendrite, and axon. The cell body is like a regular animal cell with a nucleus and cytoplasm. Dendrites are branch-like and function to receive the electrical impulses, while the axons send them away to the next neuron. All impulses travel in one direction only. A fatty multi-layered wrapping called myelin sheath covers the axon region in some neurons, such as sensory and motor. Myelin acts as an insulator. The periodic gap in the insulating sheath, called nodes of Ranvier, speeds up nerve impulses. Now, we will discuss the functions of the three types of neurons. Sensory neurons. Sensory neurons are nerve cells responsible for converting a specific stimulus from the internal and external environment into the internal electrical impulses within the nervous system. It then transmits the impulses to the central nervous system. Structurally, they have long dendrites and short axons. Their distinctive feature is that their cell bodies are bulging out of the neuron. Relay neuron. Relay, or intermediate neurons, link sensory and motor neurons so that the impulse moves uninterruptedly. They are present in the brain and spinal cord regions of our body and do not contain myelin sheath. Motor neurons. Motor neurons, as the name suggests, take care of our motor skills. They transmit messages from the central nervous system to effector organs. Effector organs are any muscle, organ, gland, etc., that can produce a response to a detected stimulus from a nerve. For example, leg muscle. Structurally, they have short dendrites and long axons. These long axons branch repeatedly in the muscle,